Hey guys, so we are taking a look at the accessories for Samsung today, but this one is the one that I really wanted to take a look at. So it has this rubberized grip. It's the kickstand case, and it's really unique from before. So it has this really nice rubber grip around it, and then it has two different kickstands. Now, my guess is so you can actually angle it at different ways. So you can kind of have this one for a more upright one, or if you want to have it standing up vertically, you can use the bigger one to have it stand up that way. So I like that kind of innovation and difference from before, and this really feels solid. It even has really good protection around the front, so you know that if you drop your phone, you are going to have a good lip protection, so you won't have any damaged screen when you do that. I really like this design. I think this is definitely going to be one of the cases I rock on my Note 10 Plus. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. But before we finish up, let's see all the other accessories. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.